Hello friends, welcome back to Bhurag recipes. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. In today's video, you're going to see a simple and quick homemade pizza that too made with chapati dough. So let's get started. In the hot pan, place prepared chapati. Instead of round chapati, I just cut into square. Why always pizza to be round? No na. Now cook it on medium flame by adding little oil. If you want, you can use some butter as well. Now flip it over and cook it on other side. Once it is done, transfer to a plate and add a spoon of pizza sauce and spread it evenly and top it with your choice of veggies like capsicum, tomato, onion, paneer and black olives. Even you can use boiled sweet corn as well. And also top it with loads of mozzarella cheese. If you want, you can use cheddar cheese as well. And if you like, you can even more top it with some veggies as well. Now transfer this prepared pizza into hot tawa and place a lid and cook it on medium-low heat. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see how cheese is melted. Now sprinkle some red chilli flakes and salt and also top it with some oregano, or even you can use mixed herbs as well. Now transfer this delicious homemade pizza into a plate and cut them into slices. And serve it hot with some ketchup. See how perfectly cooked and cheesy pizza it is. Along with pizza, to make it combo, try my cheese garlic bread recipe. Check out the link in description. So simply make it and share your recipe pictures with me in Instagram, and don't forget to tag Bhurag recipes. Thanks for watching, and do share it with your friends and family.